possibility even remotely exists that your business might someday need a loan, a line of credit, or want to make a substantial purchase, so basically all of you, I want you to know how to strengthen and position your business so you have the best chance at achieving your desired result. And it's super important that you do this today, not when you need the money, because then it will be too late. It's just how it works. Here are the 7 items. Real quick though, I'm Jim Miller, founder of AsteroGroup.com. We're the modern online accounting firm that growing businesses between $1 and $15 million in revenue use to get peace of mind with their accounting and profitability. I make this free content to help you get to the next level. So here we go. Number 1, establish and build your company credit. The 3 major business credit bureaus are Experian, Equifax, and Dun & Bradstreet, or D&B. Most middle market and small businesses don't have much data on D&B, so focus on the real bureaus, Experian and Equifax. Number 2, get a credit card in your company's name and under your company's own tax ID. Keep it separate from your personal stuff. Start using it and pay it off on time every month. We use Ramp for all of our clients, and I'll put a link in the description. Ramp is literally free and 10 generations ahead of other business credit card companies and receipt management platforms too. It's all free. Number 3, work with vendors who report to credit reporting agencies. Then check your credit reports and score regularly. It costs money to get business credit reports, unlike the free annual reports for individuals, but pull your report on Experian and Equifax at least annually for your business. Number 4, get to know your bank and the people that work there. This can be tough if your bank is one of the giants. They have a lot of turnover, so move to a smaller yet well-connected bank in your area. Number 5, open a line of credit with your bank, even if you don't need it. Then use it, even if you don't need it, and pay it off on time. This establishes a good history with the bank, super important. Do that right away. Number 6, for business owners, your personal credit matters. A guarantor with strong cash and liquidity helps to get loans across the line. Keep your personal credit strong. Number 7, have organized and reconciled books. Have a strong balance sheet. Review the ratios that banks and creditors will be looking at. And that's it. If you watch this far, know that I really appreciate you. It would mean a lot if you could like, share, and follow this in return. It takes just a second. You help more people get the right information. Reach out if you need help with any of this. And say hello to Bowser in the background there. He doesn't really know when he should stay in a different room. Take care, everyone.